Good morning everyone. I am Anand Gupta from BCA AKU Batch 1 Second Sem. I am here to introduce myself. I am from Siwan, Bihar, which is the birthplace of the first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I am 20 years old. I have completed my 10th from Galaxy Radiant Public School and my 12th from RNP Public School. My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. My hobby is reading the successful story of businessman. And my short-term goal is being a software developer, and my long-term goal is being a successful businessman. Thank you.
Good morning to you all. First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity, and it's my great pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Sunidhi Ranjan. I am from Patna. As far as my educational qualification is concerned, I completed my intermediate from JD Women's College, Patna. Currently, I am pursuing BCA, that stands for Bachelor of Computer Application from CIMAGE Professional College, Patna. I belong to a nuclear family. If I talk about my hobbies, then I love to watch movies, reading books, and to travel many places. My short-term goal is to enhance my communication and technical skills and to get a job in a great IT MNC. My long-term goal is to achieve a good position in my life where I can help the needy people. Lastly, I am a disciplined person and I believe on recognizing my past mistakes and learning from them. So that's all. Thank you.
So, good morning to you all. First of all, I would like to thank sir for giving this golden opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Satvik Kumar. I am basically from Badaiya, Lakhisar. I belong to a nuclear family. There are 4 members in my family, including me, my parents, and my grandpa. As far as my educational qualification is concerned, I have completed my 10th from DAV Mokama and my 12th from Adarsh Vikas Vidyalaya, Patna. As AI is my field of interest, my short-term goal is to become an AI engineer, and my long-term goal is to set up my own IT-based enterprise. Working in a great IT giant will bring a lot of learning opportunity inside me and embed a lot of technical and management skills which will help and guide me towards my long-term goal. I like watching cricket, gymming, exploring new places and listening to devotional songs. I am a philanthropic-minded person and like helping others. I am very accountable and responsible to the job that is assigned to me and do it with the utmost dedication. So that's all about me. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Megha Kumari. I am from Mumbai. I have completed my 10th from Ideal Public School and I have completed my 12th from Sri Narayan Singh College. Now I am pursuing BCA from CIMAGE Professional College. I belong to a joint family. My father is businessman and my mother is a housemaker. My hobbies are dancing, playing badminton and watching movies. My short-term goal is working my communication skill and enhance my personality. And my long-term goal is to get a job in reputed company as a software developer. My strength are I am honest, self-disciplined and hard-working person. And that's all about me. Thank you, sir.
Good morning to you all. I am Harshvardhan, and firstly I would like to thank sir for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself. I belong to Samastipur but currently I am living in Patna for my education in BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications, which I am pursuing from CIMAGE Professional College, Patna, which is affiliated to Aryabhatta Knowledge University. For my educational qualification, if I talk about it, then I have completed my matriculation from High School Birsingpur and intermediate from Samastipur College, Samastipur. For my short-term goal, I want to become a software developer. And I'm unsure about my long-term goal, so that is currently my goal. If I talk about myself, I'm a kind-hearted, very calm, and a very patient person. So that's all for me. Thank you.